Hello guys, that I'll show you how to do analysis, which is lesson 16 part 2, and it is about descending triangle. Last time we already studied about uh, symmetrical triangle, which is lesson 16 part 1. But today part 2, so what is descending triangle? So it's easy. I will show you. Wait a minute. So descending triangle, it's come up the support and the resistance. So support it come up in sideways, and the resistance come up in downtrend. The, the resistance. This is the support. So this is our graph. Yeah. So what's happened when it break the resistance? It's come up here. So where is to buy? To buy is when it break the resistance here. And where to sell? To sell, you draw this rectangle and pass it here, and then you know where to sell it here. Okay, look at in our real graph here. So this is I do analysis on BTC pair USDT, which is time frame 4 hour. So I think I set this to be support. Why? Because this is the first check, and this is second becoming support. Check again, support again, yeah, again, and this resistance. Why? Because it check. Oh, it can be here. Checkpoint. This is becoming resistant, resistant, resistant. But here it break the resistance here, come up here. Why? How do we know that it will come up, stop here, and all be down here? Because you copy from support here to resistance and pass the at break out resistance here, and then you will know it will come up here. Okay, look at this line. Yeah, so this is where you sell it, 32135. Yeah, so you can buy it breakout resistance here. Yeah, 29783. That's super cool. Yeah, so I will write this for you. This is a support, and then this is a resistance. Okay, so here you can set OCO here. Let's see, I can set for you OCO. So you can first option, you can sell it at here, 32135. If not, second option, if you consider about this setting, you can check out my previous video. If you if it doesn't come up here, you can sell it to be at the same break resistance, 29783. Okay, meaning if it come up here, you can sell it. If not, you can sell it the same with break resistance here. Yeah, that's all. I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe for the next lesson 16 part 3. Yeah, bye bye, see you in the next video.